Hello, everybody. Welcome back into the channel. Make Money Audit on YouTube and the website makemoneyaudit.com. Today we're doing an audit on this one-person business, Claude AI plus YouTube equals 72,000 a month. So let's just get into it. So I'm going to start with my open on this one. Dave Nick is the guy here that is the one presenting the video. Says the Claude AI plus YouTube equals $72,000 a month. He gets a grade D, and I'll tell you why. That 72,000 is not his money. It's not Dave Retires money. It's not verified money either. It came from a tool of guesses and revenue. So his tool that he uses in there is not 100% accurate. He may be making close to that kind of money, but I don't know. And Dave says the camera that he thinks the guess is too high. He tries to build, or he shows he builds a video or a channel basically like that in 17 minutes. But, you know, to get, well, we'll just let it play out a little bit. I'll let you listen to it.
Faceless YouTube channel that just started 2 months ago and is already doing over 70 grand a month. So I spent the last 7 days trying to see if I can recreate this channel with AI. And not only did I succeed, but I'm able to recreate these videos in less than 10 minutes. So in this step-by-step tutorial, not only will I show you how to start a channel with AI, but I'm also...
Okay, that part of the video is correct. You know, he shows you how to do what you got to do. That's the given. That's probably why I got a D. The unrealistic time frame is what he thinks how you're gonna make that money, and it's just not realistic. So let me see. Let me bring into my notes a little more. Yeah, let's do some math on this so you guys will make more sense to you now when I explain it. So let's see here. Okay. His tool calculates an earning of he thinks is might be inflated. Okay, we've got that. We think it is too. The whole foundation runs on the numbers in his own words. 70,000 a month in ad revenue at RPM. This niche actually pays somewhere around 10 to 20. Okay. The niche actually pays this is what you need to get 72,000 a month. Around 10 to 20 million, 10 to 20 million views every month on a channel that is 60 days old. Yeah, not really going to play. That isn't going to happen. It's just not, no way. Something had to give to get that to where it made that type, if it did make that type of money. I don't, you can go into Social Blaze if you want, or Social Blade, and test it if yourself, but unrealistically in 2 months, it's not there. So let's go ahead and play some more.
also going to show you how to beat this new AI algorithm to get views fast.
First, there's your other mistake. You're not going to beat the YouTube algorithm ever. Come on. It's like, Kissimmee and eBay and everything else. You try and beat the algorithm. I haven't met one person, or let me put that out there, not one person who has come forward to say they've actually beat the algorithm and proven it. So to try and beat the algorithm, you're not going to do it.
And the reason I know this works is because I have a venture capital that
There it is. Let's try and sell you some stuff.
invests in YouTube creators, so I have access to data that literally no one else has. And I've been doing faceless YouTube myself for over a decade. I know you don't really care, so let's start with step number 1.
You're right, we really don't care.
First, I want to show you the channel so you know that this is real. So we're going to search for David Retires, and you're going to see the channel that shows up here. You see, this is actually not a real human. This is an AI app.
So here's another thing. You know, and I know, or I hope you guys know, that YouTube cracks down heavily on these things. And if you're talking about retirement stuff and legal stuff, you're walking a thin line there. You're really risking a lot.
Avatar. If you go to his most popular videos, you'll see hundreds of thousands of views, and he started posting 2 months ago. But even more importantly, he actually made this account 2 months ago. You can see that right here. So he wasn't new for...
So again, he makes a legitimate claim. Okay, the legitimacy is, yes, YouTube can make you can make money. the time frame is just not there. It's just not. So we'll bring it up over here just to confirm it. There's his thumbnail, and that's him. And then it got a D. And, you know, I'm dumbfounded again by these guys and these claims. so so he pitches the idea of making the faceless YouTube video. I mean, you're not your own face is not on there. You have an avatar, okay? The video implies they return 70 grand a month within 2 months based off David retires as an example. A realistic time lane from scratch beginner to build an audience that large enough to generate significant sales and a digital product, making 1,000 to 5,000 a month would be 12 to 24 months. I don't know what this David retires did. Somehow he has the views because I've looked at the channel, and it's he's making the videos. I got it, but I don't see what he's doing. And then if you look at the video and you go in and try and search how many other videos are in that time frame or in that world, there's a lot of videos. There's a lot of YouTubers. It's like those videos or the YouTube channel that where you try and make sleeping channels, sound, relaxing sounds. Everybody and their mother's cranking the same shit out. So to try and get a piece of the pie on this kind of niche, you got to really do your homework and don't expect unrealistic numbers. That's the only reason why I did this video. The video that, like I said, David retires is getting views. Yeah, I just don't understand how he's getting them. I mean, I don't see the topics are that overwhelming or entertaining, but people are signing up for it. So, so again, we're realistically 12 to 24 months on a realistic expectation. Let me see what else we got. The claim of 700. Okay, let's see what we got. So he makes his money obviously because he wants you to sign up his affiliate links in his core. I get it. That's cool. No reason, no big deal there. I'm just trying to see what he look at. The primary tool recommended is scripted. Okay, it's a digital products. That costs 50 to 200 a month. AI tools, Claude AI, $29, 26 something dollars now. I think I'm at 100 because I have the Pro. You got a PDF guide with $100,000. I don't know where that one's coming from. He said the video picked up. There's other things to sell in there that he's trying to promote, so that's probably where that's from. Yeah, I just don't see it being realistic. It's heavily reliance on YouTube and the evolving algorithm monetize policies and AI generated content. I can't tell you guys enough. That's huge. They're tagging these shit. Maybe this guy gets his channel tagged in the next month or two and he's gone. So I don't know, because if you have no human interaction, meaning you get this David retires, that's not his voice, that's not his face, that's all AI generated. YouTube will start cracking down on those things. They don't like it. The only reason why I'm not doing it is because I don't want to go that way. And plus, I don't want to show my face on camera. I mean, I don't think you guys want to see that anyways. But anyways, you know, another guru making false claims. I'm not going to keep going down the road on this one. You guys know how to do this. If you want to run it, go to makemoneyaudit.com, post the URL, post the script, and hit run. You'll get the whole transaction. It runs up to 5 different ideas. I don't know why this one only picked out 2. I know there's more in it, but these are obviously the worst of the bunch. So you download the PDF, share it, and run another audit because that's going to be gone once you push it. So, in my opinion, another viable idea, false BS expectations on time frame to make your money back. All right, like and subscribe. Getting ready to make the next video for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Oh, one thing too. If you, I wanted to ask you guys. I know I haven't been doing this. Have any of you ever paid for tools because the video showed someone else's revenue? If you have, screenshot it and send me that. I'm curious to see if you guys actually bite on these things. I don't understand why you would have, but some people do, obviously, because this guy's got a lot of views. He's got how many people following him? 33,000. You know, that's still a pretty good number. I'd love to get 33,000 people following me right now. I'm under 500. But, you know, I'm making videos. It'll happen. But if you have you done something like this, please comment in there and let me know. I'd like to hear what it is. You know, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you making comments. Like and subscribe, and look forward to the next video and your guys' comments. Have a good one.